This video will show how the period attendance works in Gradebook. In Gradebook, in order to enable period attendance, you first need to go to School Features. If you're set up as Master or School Administration level access, you then click on the Period Attendance tab where you want to make certain if you wish to have it enabled. You click the check mark in these columns along with prior days options. You do not set the live integration at all. This column will remain unchecked. Please, to repeat myself, you can turn on period attendance by doing the enable, setting the prior days option, making that available for teachers, but you do not place a check mark under live integration, especially if you're doing daily attendance. To check daily attendance settings, click on the daily attendance, and daily attendance defined as offer daily attendance, and then enable sys integration. That's how those should be defined if your school is set up to do daily attendance. So back to the period attendance tab. So now we have this feature set up. So along with this feature, you'll go back to home, and you then need to look at your absent types, which is found under the name codes. Go back to home. Absent types is where you want to go to. You then from the drop down select the specific building based on the types. So under the high school, if we go to the high school absent types, the only period entry that we have listed, and we search only for PE, are these four types right here. These four types are defined under student information underneath your absent types screen. So if I click on absent types, you would then go to the management, school administration, attendance administration, absent types. This is where these should be defined, and you would then identify it as using that absent type for period attendance by placing a check mark in that column for if any existing daily attendance types you wish to use. Jump back to Gradebook. So this then defines which ones are here, as far as defined for the teacher that can use on the drop down for period attendance. The way that works is the teacher will log into the system in the morning and go to her Gradebook as normal. And first she will go ahead and define take daily attendance. Okay, it tells you attendance has not been taken. She can then click save. And then when she goes back to her Gradebook or in her dashboard, you should see the period attendance option available under the class administration. She then clicks period attendance. And at this point, one thing different about period attendance, it does give the teacher the ability to modify and re-update for the class for that day. So if a student came in later on and I don't want to make them as absent, I can change it back to blank. They showed up in class and changes were saved. Unlike daily attendance, where once you hit save, you have to contact the office to make that modification. Now, these period attendance results do not go to student information. They stay on the Gradebook side. There are some reports that can be ran under the principal menu regarding period attendance, a report, period attendance audit report. There's also a potential skip report that you can run. There's also the ability that under report builder reports that we can customize some reports for you depending on what information that you want pulled based off period attendance. So once again, back in Gradebook, the teacher simply clicks on period attendance, the menu option, goes to the desired class or classes for that day or period of the day, makes this selection as far as being absent or whatever absent types you want to have available. If I want to make this one tardy, and I click save because the student showed up later on. The teacher then has the ability to backdate, so I can go back to the 17th on Friday if I maybe need to make some adjustments. So that's what the prior days provides for you for the teacher. Any additional questions, please email them to progressbookhelp@metasolutions.net. Thank you.